สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to Speak Thai right now with me, Kruu Gift. In this video, you will learn how to say sorry and excuse me in Thai. That word is ขอโทษ Repeat after me. ขอโทษ And I recommend that you use the polite particle. If you are a female speaker, you would say ขอโทษค่ะ Repeat after me. ขอโทษค่ะ And if you are male speaker, you would say ขอโทษครับ Repeat after me. ขอโทษครับ Well done. Now you know how to say sorry and excuse me. How to say that again? Well done. Okay, if you like our video, follow our channel and see you in the next video. สวัสดีค่ะ Bye.